Okay, hello guys, welcome to greeky. Today I am going to explain the activating the macro in the ribbon tab. Okay, you will find the home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review and view and so on, right? You could not find the developer tab. So I'll explain. Go to the file, click on the options and go to the customize ribbon, and here you will find the developer button. So click on the checkbox and press the OK. So you'll find here. Okay, so we'll see the first macro how it will will write. First go to the developer tab, and by default sometimes use the relative reference. Why I'm telling you, because we have the multiple locations variation, so when we run the macro also it will run. So I'll tell you. Start recording. First macro, I am giving the shortcut keys also. If you want to control shift, press the shift G. Okay, this macro workbook only, store macro in. Okay, I'm writing first word, logic, greeky. Okay, I'm making bold and increasing the size 16 and changing the color light blue color, and I'm changing the word color also yellow. Yeah, this is fine. So I run the first macro and enter the words and give in the background color, and I give in the word color also and make it bold and increase the size also. Okay, so I'm now stopping the recording. Now I click on the particular cell like D11, and I'll simply come here and run. Something debug is happening. Something is going there. I'll tell you one thing what happened. Okay, so now I'm removing this. This is by mistakenly I select, maybe it is selected. I may deact removing that, and there is a small changes I did. Now I closed, come here and run. See, whenever you click on that, so particularly it will run. Okay, even here also. So wherever you put, and it will run the active cell. Okay, so suppose when we does not click on use relevant reference, so when we run that particular cell, it will run in particular cell only, not in any other locations, because it's activated the only particular cell. When we use the use relative references, it will, what will happen, it will give the offset to from the selective cell to any other locations. So it will run the macro, even the cursor in other locations also it will run. Okay, this is the use of, and we'll see the VBA code also. I'm removing this all the formats. Okay, so we suppose we run the macro, right? But same thing is it is happen with VBA also. So we can run with VBA also. We'll see the VBA code same steps with the help of command button. Okay, I'm going to the command insert tab, and I'm inserting the small command button. So I'm copying the old data and pasting it same command button and click on the save. Okay, and I'm just renaming the text. VBA code. That's it. Sorry, here he went to something wrong. Double. Come here and close it and run the same macro. See how it is running. So this is how we can run the macros and VBA script also. Very easy to run this kind of things. Thanks for watching.